are singing from the Methodist hymn. Some carefully selected hymns to uplift our souls at every point in time that we find ourselves seeing life knocking us. Christ is with us, and He will continue to be our God. Jesus, lover of my soul, let me to thy bosom fly, while the nearer waters roll, while the tempest still is high. Hide me, oh my Savior, hide, till the storm of life is past. Save into the heaven guide. Oh, receive my soul at last. Hide me, oh my Savior, hide, till the storm of life is past. Save into the heaven guide. Oh, receive my soul at last. Plenteous grace with thee is found, grace to cover all my sin. Let the healing streams abound, make and keep me pure within. Thou of life, the fountain art, freely let me take of thee. Spring thou up within my heart, rise to all eternity. What means this eager, anxious throng, which moves with busy haste along this wondrous gatherings day by day? What means this strange commotion, pray, in accents harsh and the tongue reply? Jesus of Nazareth, passeth by. What means this eager, anxious throng, which moves with busy haste along these wondrous gatherings day by day? What means this strange commotion, pray, in accents harsh the throng reply? Jesus of Nazareth, passeth by. Jesus, keep me near the cross, the precious fountain, free to all, a healing stream flows from Calvary's mountain. wayward soul shall find rest beyond the river. Near the cross I'll watch and wait, hoping, trusting ever, till I reach the golden strand, just beyond the river. In the cross, in the cross, be my glory ever, till my raptured soul shall find rest beyond the river. Lord, thy word abideth, and our footsteps guideth, who its truth delivered, light and joy received. When our foes are near us, when thy word that cheer us, word of constellation, message of salvation, when the storms are o'er us and the clouds before us, then its lights directed and our way protected. Who can tell the pleasure? Who recounts the treasure? By thy word imparted to the simple hearted, word of mercy giving, succor on the living, word of life supplying, comforts to the dying. Oh, that we descending its most holy landing. Lord, may love and fear thee evermore be near thee. Sinners Jesus will receive, sound this word of grace to all who the heavenly pathway leave, or who linger, or who fall. Sing it so and over again. Cry the changing scenes of life in trouble and in joy, the praises of my God shall still my heart and tongue employ. Oh, magnify the Lord with me, exalt his name. When in distress to him I called, he too my rescue came. The host of God encamp around the dwellings of the just. Deliverance he affords to all who on his sacred trust. Fear him, ye saints, and you will then have nothing else to fear. Make you his service your delight. He'll make your want his care. Make you his service your delight. He'll make your want his care. My Jesus, I love thee. I know thou art mine. For thee all the pleasures of sin I resign. My gracious Redeemer, my Savior, as thou, if ever I love thee, my Jesus, 'tis now. My gracious Redeemer, my Savior, as thou, if ever I loved thee, my Jesus, 'tis now. O thou who camest from above, the pure celestial fire to impart, and earthly main altar of my heart, of my heart, ready for all thy perfect will. My heart of faith and love repeat till death. Thy endless mercy seal and make the sacrifice complete and make the sacrifice complete. Begun unbelief, my Savior is near, and for my relief will surely appear. By prayer let me wrestle, and He will perform with Christ in the vessel. I'll smile at the storm, though dark be my way, since He is my guide. 'Tis mine to obey, 'tis His to provide. Though systems be broken and creatures all fail, the word He has spoken shall surely prevail. His love in time past forbids me to think He will leave me at last in trouble to sing, while each Ebenezer I have in review confirms His good pleasure to help me quite through. Since all that I need shall work for my good, the bitter is sweet, the medicine food, though painful at present, 'twill cease before long. And then, oh how pleasant the conqueror's song. And then, oh how pleasant the conqueror's song. In heavenly love abiding, no change my heart shall feel, and safe is such confiding, for nothing changes here. The storm may roll without me, my heart may long be late, but God is round about me, and can I be dismayed? Wherever He may guide me, no want shall turn me back. My shepherd is beside me, and nothing I can lack. His wisdom never waketh, His sight is never dim. He knows the way He taketh, and I will walk with Him. Green pastures are before me, which yet I have not seen. Bright skies will soon be over me, where there the clouds have been. My hope I cannot measure, my path to life is free. My Savior is my treasure, and He will walk with me. My Savior has my treasure, and He will walk with me. I bring my sins to Thee, the sins I cannot count, that all may cleanse me in Thy one soul being found. I bring them, Savior, all to Thee. Their burden is too great for me. I bring them, Savior, all to Thee. Their burden is too great for me. Forth in Thy name, O Lord, I go, my daily labor to pursue Thee, only Thee, resolved to know. In all I think or speak or do, Thee, only Thee, resolved to know. In all I think or speak or do, for Thee delightfully employ whatever Thy bounteous grace has given, and run my course with living joy, and closely walk with Thee to heaven, and run my course with living joy, and closely walk with Thee to heaven. Jesus, my Savior, brother, friend, on whom I cast my every care, on whom for all things I depend. Inspire and then accept my prayer. If I have tasted of Thy grace, the Savior, or I fall. Oh, reach me out thy gracious hand. Only on thee for help I call. Only by faith in thee I stand. Only on thee for help I call. Only by faith in thee I stand. Captain of Israel's host and guide of all who seek the land above. Beneath thy shadow we abide. The cloud of thy protecting love, our strength, thy grace, our rule, thy word, our end, the glory of the Lord, our strength, thy grace, our rule, thy word, our end, the glory of the Lord. By thine unerring Spirit led, we shall not in the desert strain. We shall nor full direction need, nor miss our providential way. As far from danger as from fear, while love, almighty love, is near. As far from danger as from fear, while love, almighty love, is near. A charge to keep I have, a God to glorify, a never dying soul to save, and fitted for the sky, to serve the present age, my calling to fulfill. Oh, makes all my powers engage.